Let me guess. You're either sweating bullets right now or bundled up like an Eskimo. Having a broken AC or furnace is making you absolutely miserable. Does that about sum it up? You know, we're not really into the whole drowning in sweat or shivering to your bones thing either. That's just plain uncomfortable. Well, you don't have to suffer any longer. Call us immediately, and we'll get your home back to normal temperatures in no time. We are certified, affordable, local heating and cooling installers, and we guarantee our work. Get your risk-free, no-obligation estimate by calling your local heating and cooling experts today.